with BeCozi.net is here. BeCozi.net and BeCozi.com is an American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarns for hand knitting. BeCozi is located in Holland, Michigan, so if you're local or if you're visiting our beautiful town, please let us know when you would like to come, and we will be happy to see you in our office. We don't have a storefront, but we have an office, and we're happy to see you here. So today I will be showing you how to make this gorgeous pillow. It's a really cute pillow. It's a tiger head pillow. So we will be using BeCozi Chunky chenille yarn in orange. That will be the main color for the head. Then you will need a little bit of white for the nose and ears, and a little bit of our black one for the stripes, and pretty much all for the stripes. You can put stripes on the back, or you can just leave it orange like I did on this guy. And again, it's a really cute project, and we have a DIY kit available or a video to purchase. So make this beautiful project with our yarn, and stay warm and be cozy.